Today we are learning about irregular past tense verbs. And before you do your scavenger hunt, I want you to watch this video. So a verb is an action. It means that you're doing something. So we eat, we write, I run, she draws, he hears, I sit, I play, hold, fall, think. Those are all verbs. They're all actions. His teacher got a great idea. We should send the verbs to the past and see how they change. The children were very excited to send verbs to the past. Bake, sit, work, ask, buy. Those are all verbs. Watch how the words change. Present and past. Jump, so I jump, that is present tense. If I need to put it in the past, it would be jumped. I work, put it in the past, I worked this weekend. I ask a question versus I asked a question yesterday. The verbs change from the present tense to the past tense. Jump to jumped. Work to worked. Ask to asked. Can you see how the verbs changed? Yes, we added ed to every word. Most past tense verbs are formed by adding ed or d. Bake to baked. Clap, clapped. Smile, smiled. Watch how more verbs change. Eat, ate. Ooh, looks different, doesn't it? Sit, sat. Buy, bought. They look very different in past tense than they did in present tense. These verbs did not follow the ed or d rule. Eat, ate, sit, sat, buy, bought. We call them irregular verbs. Irregular verbs don't follow spelling pattern rules. You have to study them. Watch how more verbs change when you send them to the past. Say, and in past tense, said. Make, and in past tense, made. Go, and in past tense, went. Take, and in past tense, took. Come, and in past tense, came. See, and in past tense, saw. Know, past tense, knew. Get, past tense, I got that toy. I give that toy to someone, and I gave that toy to someone. I find that toy, I found that toy. I think I know the answer, I thought of the answer. I tell some information to someone, and yesterday I told them some information. Become, and in past tense, became. Leave, past tense, left. I feel sad. I felt sad when that happened. I bring my book. I brought my book to the party. I begin and I began. I keep, and I kept. I hold on to something tight. I held on super tight. I write a book. I wrote that book. I stand tall, and I stood in line at Valley Fair forever. Mean, past tense, meant. Run, past tense, ran. Meet, I meet someone. I met someone in my class. I pay, I paid. I sit on the chair. I sat on the chair before I sat on the couch. Speak, I speak to someone. I spoke. I lie, and I lay. So if I lay down or I lie down. Lead, led. Grow, grew. Lose, lost. Fall, fell. Send, sent. Verbs can also travel from the past to the present. They can go both ways. The verbs can go from the past to the present or from the present to the past. I chose to read that book versus I choose to read that book. Help Jack and his friends choose the correct irregular verbs. Write the answer on your whiteboard, or you can just say them out loud. I feel happy. What would the past tense verb be of feel? A, felt, B, field, or C, field? A, felt. Okay, we're going to do one more. I eat a sandwich. What would the past tense verb be of the verb eat? I eated, I ated, or I ate? Ate. So what you are going to do is cut out all of the irregular past tense verbs and tape them around your home. And then you will take a clipboard or a notebook and take the irregular past tense verb scavenger hunt sheet and go on a scavenger hunt. And you will change the present tense verb to the irregular past tense verb as you are finding them around your home. And then on the back side of the sheet of paper, you're going to choose two of the past tense verbs from the scavenger hunt to use in a sentence, and then you will illustrate your sentence. So do the front and the back of this worksheet, and then you'll upload your picture to Seesaw.